Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. These questions come from Dr. Munir. What are the absolute indications of initiation positive pressure ventilation through bag and mask apparatus in unit? Bag mask apparatus, not ambu bag, because ambu bag this is the name of the company. So bag mask apparatus. What is the indication of positive pressure ventilation? A, B, C. A, apnea or ineffective or gasping respiration. B, bradycardia, heart rate less than 100 beat per minute. C, cyanosis or intractable or persistent cyanosis not respond to free flow oxygen. So what indication of positive pressure ventilation? A, apnea or ineffective or gasping breathing. B, bradycardia, heart rate less than 100 beat per minute. C, cyanosis persistent or intractable cyanosis not respond to free oxygen. ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. شكرا.